First, now with that, we just create here. So this is the two eyes line. So just erasing this line and this line. So here it is basically this is the eyes line. Make the eyes position like this. What animal it is? Anybody can get it? What character? Cat, isn't it? Tell me what character it is. Okay, make this. What is the character? It is some domestic animal. So make it like this first. Okay, after that, just erasing this line, okay, and creating a little bit of the erasing this line and making this is here and far. Okay, make it little bit of here and far like this. Okay, here also. Just make like this. Erasing this round line and create the far line. This is the here and far line. Okay, its look is more cat kind of. Fine. Now make it oval on it. Nice oval. Make it nice oval. Okay. And make it nice oval like this. Okay. Two oval. One is this oval. One is this oval. Okay. And we can erasing this line.
Last drawing. Sir, is this the last drawing?
Yes, it is. We have paint color. This make this hand. This is the leg of the cat, completely. Make this. Okay, aram se make this. This is two leg. Okay. The cute cats are sitting here. Here will make the cat, uh, you know. You can make the S kind of. Like this. You can make here. And create over here some flower. And make some flower over here and there. The cat is sitting down. It's sitting here. But here is all a flower. It's a flower, all of. Now the flower is like make the flower in this tree. Flower and the leaves. Aram said, first I make this roundness and then I can create the circle, the petals. Don't draw now. Just watch you. All of you stop drawing. Watch my. If you not stop drawing, you're not learning. Stop drawing. Watch me. Stop drawing. Watch my drawing. Stop drawing. Watch my drawing first. How I'm making these flowers. Okay. Watch it first. Then when I tell you start, then you start. When I show any drawing, never ever you are draw with me. You wait, you watch my drawing, then you start. I tell you all of you, don't start drawing when I draw. When I draw that time, only watch my finger and my style, how I make it the drawing. If you not understand, second time if you ask me, then it's difficult to see again and again. So when I show you first time, then you can just learn it. Ask me, such is not coming, how to do. Okay? First see, stop drawing and see the how to make this. The cats are in jungle, flower terrace.